Yo, what's up? This is Zamaninja, and I'm solving my Rubik's Cube. This is white and yellow color scheme. It's not white and blue, because that's just plain confusing. And I made my own logo. It looks pretty cool. It's kind of mirrored right now because of the camera's kind of weird. But yeah, I'm gonna solve it. And hopefully I solve it under 1 minute, because that's my usual time. So we just messed it up a little. I think that might be good enough. If you don't, just reply back asking me for another redo, and I'll ask one of my friends to mess it up and I'll solve it. So yeah. Okay. Ready, set, go. And if you could hear the noise outside, it's because it's about 5 o'clock right now. Oops. Oh, okay. Here I come, here comes Speed Racer. I'm a demon on wheels. Can't beat me, I'm too fast for you. For you, for you, for you, for you. Oh yeah. Just a little bit more moves, and I should be done. Ba-dum! Right there. Every side is done. You like that? You like that, don't ya? Now you can't beat me. See you next time. This is Zamaninja.